Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Solving this biology puzzle is actually super fast if you focus on the diet differences between these two predators. Let's find the right answer together. The sparrowhawk population was more affected because these birds primarily hunt small seed-eating songbirds. Since those songbirds ate the treated seeds, they carried high levels of pesticides directly to their predators. In contrast, tawny owls primarily eat small mammals rather than birds. Because their main food source did not consume the treated seeds, the owls were not exposed to the same toxic levels. This led to higher pesticide accumulation in sparrowhawks compared to owls. That makes option A the only logical choice for explaining the population drop. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and trust given data to solve these tricky biology problems.